rock and roll all night. Brainer brown morning. Good morning, you beautifuls. Beautiful. How are we doing, beautiful? Good morning, guys. Beautiful day. It is cold as shit, man. But hey, I am here. I am here for my community. Hope everyone's doing well. What's up, Snowy? What's up, Slumpy? Bro Tango? Nixlu, Brother Dark Ace. He's probably gone by now, but appreciate you stopping by, my brother. Good evening, Roy Van E over on the tube. You kitty? Hello. Oh yeah, that's right. Just a quick PSA. If my Twitch stream somehow goes offline, it's probably because I get banned. Because apparently we're not allowed to say competitors' names in our streams anymore. But I'm not rude. I was brought up to have good manners. And I'll probably just say hello to them anyway, okay? Just putting it out there. Just putting it out there. Anyway. Here we go. Other side. That's the plan today, alright? Today is going to be a relatively short stream. Because our second girl has her IMS today. It's going to be a great day to be a dad. What's up, Callum? I'm still here, man. Had to wait to see. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Go and get some sleep, my bro. Go and get some sleep. Also, Battlefield 6. So, I got a question about this Battlefield. Is it going to be like the cool one when you could put C4 on a block of timber and then like shoot yourself off and go and blow up like some of the planes? Is it going to be like that? Or is it going to be like the recent, you know, back in the day kind of Battlefield? One thing I loved about the Battlefield back in the day was the long range snipes. That was the one thing that I enjoyed, and the ridiculous stuff you could do on that game too. You know, like put some C4 on, detonate it, fly with the wood, jump off, take someone's plane, then, you know, clap someone else. Even more fish today, man. Spent like 150 quid in 2 days. Oh, far out. Bro, we need to get an update on that aquarium, my bro. Once again, chat, we do have a sub goal. And if we hit sub goal of 850, we are doing a NZ Lolly giveaway. I'll try my hardest not to eat them. Put one on the Discord. Okay, I'll check it before I bring TikTok into the mix. I have news. What's up, Nixilu? What's our news? What's our news? Also, I found out the bro Samet streams on Twitch, and I was watching his Twitch stream last night. He lives in Japan. And bro, they got the summer festival over there right now. Looks like a vibe. How you, chef? Bro, it is cold today. Guess who will be visiting New Zealand in September? Robert Downey Jr. Nice, bro. You're coming at a good time too. It's going to be summer. Yeah, we'll be in the summertime by then. W's. What are you planning on doing, man? I have a saltwater tank. Love that. Oh, really? Wait, you can have a saltwater tank? That's pretty cool. How do you keep the consistency, like, in terms of, like, the salt water? Do you just get, like, a bag and... or is it different? Yeah, my bro, yeah. I want to make something nice for the fams this week. Because, bro, my top-of-the-line meal for myself is steak and salt. Chicken and salt. Yo, Soddy, thank you very much for the 2 years. Appreciate you, Soddy. Thank you. I'll probably buy groceries, yeah. Yeah, I'll probably buy some groceries. My kids have been choosing our dinners for the last couple of weeks, and it's been good. But I really want to cook something. Gentlemen, good evening, mate. 12 a.m. here. Where are you, bro? You would be... Where would you be? It's 12 a.m. Ireland. Yes, please, my bro. Yeah, as long as it's none of those, you know, those you're gonna need balsamic, turmeric, ginger, and all that stuff. It's got to be simple for my simple mind. Yo, thank you very much. Sorry for the 2 years. How are you, man? Hello, bro, from Salta, Argentina. Hola, Bam Bam. Hola. Yeah, so today we'll get a stream in today, but yeah, I'll probably have to dip around the Mediterranean. True. Yeah, I'll probably have to dip around 12 o'clock more because our daughter has her IMS today, and it's gonna be a great day because she's gonna be like, "You assholes," basically. Wait, you got some fish there glow under what? That's pretty trippy. Bro, imagine if you know, it's one night, just this is hypothetically speaking. Hey, one night you just decide to, you know, you're home alone, you turn all the lights off, you got a black light, and then you just like rip a quick bong and trip balls at your fish. I never thought that combination would ever be considered. Let me see if my jacket's dry. I remember, chat, when I was flatting, okay? Another back in the day story. I was flatting. Doctor Strange 1 had just come out. And, dare I say it, my uncle dropped off some of those, you know, his mushrooms. And, I don't normally get into them, but I thought, you know, Doctor Strange movie is a bit fucked up. I might try one. And oh my gosh, I thought I was falling through the ground. Been trying to fix my schedule other than being alright. I hope you and yeah, me and the family been good, bro. Been busy, like real busy. So I haven't really had time to play any games or anything other than WoW. This sponsored WoW stream. Once again, I want to say thank you very much for tuning up to the WoW sponsored stream last week too. Morena Wadey, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I slept in. My alarm didn't go off this morning. The time for me right now, ooh, do I say this number? Ooh, I mean, we are in my, okay, I'm going to say it's 9:11. Bad karma number right there. I claim no bad karma in the name of the apple. Yeah, so normally how I start the stream, chat, my coffee and my apple first, that's my breakfast, and then we get into it. But I'm genuinely, chat, this carving's almost done. We claim no karma here. Okay, it's 9:12 now, so we're good, we're good. We're good, we got through it, guys. I'm wondering if I bring TikTok or just play music today. What do you reckon? I don't know. Since it's going to be a bit of a short 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, be a bit of a stint today. An electric blue fish. Interesting. So these are all, I don't know if it's a thing, but are tank breeds a thing? Or can you like find them in the sea? Can you? I don't know if my TikTok's been shadow banned or not, chap. It hasn't been doing that well lately. Maybe I got too cheeky. Hold up. Beautiful. What's on the hat you're wearing? This hat is, it's a haka group called Te Mātarai. Question, if someone is interested in learning Māori, where would you recommend them to start? What's up, Ahmad? Fuck, I just saw something that could help too. Let me get my phone. I'm sure there's something on Spotify actually. So there's that link there, but you can also go to MaoriTV.com and search the show Kōrero Mai. So here, I'll spell it for you in the chat. So those are two resources that you could use online if you wanted to learn te reo Māori. Mena pirani ana koe I te mahi tērā if you wanted to do that. Hopefully that helps, brother. Sorry about that. I just had to. I knew I saw something last night as I was looking after baby and playing Supervive, and wow, yeah, I had a bit of a late night with Bubba last night, just making sure she had a sleep, because she was very unsettled last night, but she's good now. Yeah, she was very, very, very unsettled last night. Yo! Yukite! Yukiri! Thank you very much for the 10 bomb! Hey, if you got one of those, please give the sis or the bro a thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, what's up, Azulban? How are you, brother? Thank you very much, you. Morning on the TikTok, how we doing? Ngā mihi nui to everybody. Hey, appreciate you. Yeah, once again, if you got a gifted sub, please, make sure you say thank you. That's the only thing I want from you, from me. Thank you very much, man. Straight up. We're getting to that lollies / sweets giveaway. The metal band I've been listening to has majority... Oh, Alien Weaponry? Yeah, I see you, brother. Good old Alien Weaponry. Morning, TikTok. Long time no see. I'm probably going to get banned for saying that, because apparently we're not allowed to say competitors anymore. Thank you very much for the manawas, Andrew, and the roses. It's going to be hard for me, Chad, because, you know, I grew up with my grandparents, bro. Manners has always been a thing. Like, if I didn't acknowledge people for their aroha, then I feel like I'm doing bad as a streamer. How are you? Vague Peer? I'm doing good. I've been pretty busy, eh? Pretty busy, man. What's up, AFK? Plans for today? More mahi today? For Whakairo? Yo, Yuki, thank you very much for gifting a sub once again.
Pegasus. They have given 21 gift subs in the channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Why? What's your favorite anime? It's always going to be One Piece, even though I don't watch it that much anymore because I'm busy reading it. It's so much far ahead, and the source it has been providing. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful. Yarfi, thank you very much for the rose. Yeah, I've been reading it more these days. What else have I been watching? Nah, just that. And I've been watching this other anime on Prime. It's about a old man who was a swordsman instructor, and all his students are like top tier swordsmen now. Yeah. Can you speak like them? Like who? What's it called? I don't know. I just saw it on. I don't pay attention to the names. If it's good, I'll watch it. It hasn't really wowed me yet. Yo, Wayne, I'll try and do my best, brother. Can you do an American accent? No, not really. I guess the only one that I can do is, well, now, how y'all doing there, boy? My name is Arthur. My goddamn name is Arthur, you goddamn bastard. That's about it. I think the programs that I've been watching the most, any Blazers G, I don't really get into that stuff. Like, yeah, alcohol and all that's not really something I get into because I hate how it makes our people porani. Country bumpkin to swordmaster. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. See, Chef's got it. Do you play rugby? Nah, I haven't played rugby in years. What's up, brother Adam? How's the carving going? Yeah, I know. Here we go. So this is one side that we've done. We've shown this side a couple of times. So the middle bit will get cut out towards the end. And yeah, so we did the opposite and did the inside. So all we have to do right now is a design along the outside and it's done. Oh, thank you guys. Yeah, it's actually a free commission for someone in my Twitch chat. So one thing that I do on there is if you redeem 1,000,000 channel points, thank you very much, Tickle my little, okay, for the rose. I don't know if I should say that. I don't feel comfortable saying that. Have you ever made a bench? No, I haven't. The main reason why I haven't is because I'm kind of waiting to have a proper shed instead of a roof. Connor and Joe, thank you for the aroha. Is this your job? I've been doing Whakairo full time since I was 16, and I've only been streaming full time for 5 years. How long have you been working with wood? Since I was 12. Yeah, I think all I've been watching the most lately, chat, is Kdramas. Rory Fitzy, thank you very much for the aroha, and Josh, yeah, Kdramas is my thing, chat. Woo. Mate. How old are you? I'm 33. If people say you don't look it, skincare. That's all it comes down to. Skincare. Alright. Hey, Sir Thunder, how are you? Thank you very much, brother Josh, for the cats. What city do you live in? I stay in Rotorua, here in Aotearoa. It's the town that smells like rotten eggs because of all the geothermal. Got tattoos inspired from... Wait, you got a tattoo? Watch, where's him? Concorodons. Yo, yeah, bro. Tyberos is a freaking badass, eh? Yeah, I love the space sharks, my bro, for obvious reasons. Who else? Nah, just the space sharks, the salamanders, and I ain't gonna lie, I like the ultramarines, bro. And Deathwatch. I think Deathwatch is more badass in my opinion. Sup, Bushman? How you, my brother? Yeah, sorry I haven't been live on TikTok there much. I've been busy. Big things happening. Ooh, what be happening? Can you say hi? Hello, Petar. How are you, brother? Yeah, what's who else? I can't really think of any other factions that stand out to me or that I like, but yeah, Salamanders is a pretty obvious one. I got told that I'd like them straight away, and people were not wrong. They're freaking cool, bro. I like what they stand for. Blood Angels are not neat. That's all L. Johnson, eh? That's the only way I know. That's the only way I know Blood Angels is because Lion L. Johnson. It's more the L. Johnson part than the Lion. What do you think about... Oh, sad. Obviously, you know when someone passes away, it's sad. We played Black Sabbath, L. Johnson. Oh, there's Dark Angels. Fuck me. I just see angels and think they're all the same. My bad. These streams have gotten me through treacherous hours of studying. Hey, how has the studying been going, brother? You been cracking it? You see, the one thing about me, brother, if I know you're a student, I want you to focus on, you know, focus on your studies, always, other than me. Do you listen to, what's that? Chris Mota, thank you very much. Israel or Palestine? What the fuck you think I'm gonna say? Not the fuckheads, anyway. What a dumb question. Sorry, but yeah, as someone, you know, whose people have been oppressed the same way, fuck that. Greetings from Germany. Kia ora, brother. How are we doing all the way in Germany? I know it's late for you guys. How you been, Thunder? Home stretch must be... Yeah, pretty much. It's just this row that we got to do, my bro. A little bit of cleaning. And then I cut that out and we stain it. Thank you very much, Callum. Appreciate you, my brother. And Callum Ison. Oh, there's two Callums in the chat. It is the morning, my brother. Thank you for contributing to Bryce and Vibes. Found you off a Reddit post. Oh, cheer, brother Seabov. Much love, my brother, much love. Yeah, I went on Reddit last night and I saw something about me that I thought was, I hope is true. It's probably not, Jed, like, I'm gonna be honest. It's pure copium that it will be true, if it's true, but I highly doubt it. Someone did a Reddit post about me a couple years back, and Joy Boy. I'm low-key, always wanted to carve something about it, just seems so relaxing. It can be, brother, it can be. Yo, Olivia, thank you very much. But I guess at the same time, you know, wherever people find their zen, people should do that, you know. Yo, Dustin, thank you very much for the roses. What do you do with these when you make them? So this one's going to wherever the bro says. I gotta give Reddit a rest. One Piece theories. Oh, fuck, this fella rabbit hole all the way to China, eh? But bro, how can you not with how it's been going recently, eh? Bro, the manga has been popping off, bro. I think that, you know, in a sense, this was the juice we've all been waiting for. I need to know more about these Davy back fights, though. Have you seen the theories about the Davy back fights? Does the middle get cut out? It will definitely get cut out. Dustin, thank you very much, brother. What's up? Oh, yeah. How you, my bro? Okay, I won't spoil it too much. Yeah, man. It's yeah. If you haven't read the manga yet, whoo, I got a One Piece erection at the source. Is it supposed to be Maui's hook? Not really. It's just so this form, yeah, although you know it takes the form of a hook, it's called a heimato. You normally find this in a pendant form. Got to leave as up early for work. All good, Yuki. Thank you very much for the aroha once again. Appreciate you. What's up, Nigerian Prince? Oh, we got an oiler in the chat. We have an oiler. Nigerian Prince, you probably sent me an email back in the early 2000s, my bro. Saying I won $8 million. Yeah, man, you gotta catch up on One Piece, man. It's cooking every week, bro. Yeah, I was sad about Fiji as well. I think you know, a lot of people from the 90s like grew up with his music. Like I was one of the many that did. I felt like you're a real life Kuma. Speaking of Kuma, I did do the Kuma dance with my daughters. Yeah, I love Kuma, bro. Obviously, for obvious reasons, if you haven't seen it already. It's so good, eh? Like the build up towards his story. Thank you, Dev and brother. Oh, and Dev again. Jeez, my brother. Kia ora, K1. Corporal 95. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, my brother. Thank you very much once again, brother Davza. Thank you, bro. Let me just draw some of these. I'm probably gonna miss a few, so I do apologize. Yo, Thunder, I did an episode with old Will last night. Over the weekend, bro, was crack up. I won't reveal too much, but yeah, talking about his time with bakery runs and also his current mahi in the UFC. I think it's gonna be my best episode. I ain't gonna lie. From Scotland, hey, my Scotland brother. Is there anything I could read to help me understand more about carvings? You do. Just ask. Just ask, my brother. Books don't do justice. Bro, I was getting absolutely frickin' roasted by my kids over the weekend. Yeah, my bro. Did a podcast episode with them on the weekend. I'm trying to stockpile some episodes before I start releasing them. Then I was gonna hit you up to see if you were keen for some mahi. Only if you're free, that is. If you wanted to do the thumbnails. Thank you, Louis, for the 46 roses. Kia ora. One moment, chat. Let me just do these. I'm a navigator. Yo, chat, has anyone played those Mafia games? I saw that there's one getting released next month, and I low-key want to give it a go. It actually looks quite good. Yeah, keen as always. Yeah, my bro. Just waiting for you and you keen to jump on too. Yo, Louis, thank you very much, and also Ron as well. Mafia 2 and 3 were good to me. I'm not sure about that. Oh, really? Yeah, that's why I was low-key keen to try it. The newer one. Also, chat, unfortunately I've fallen for the trap of playing League of Legends again too. And you know what's even worse? I've been winning. And it's not good. But my cousin, man, she loves that game. I was like, fuck, I've done my dash with this game. I don't know how you can love it that much. Alright, should have enough to cut out for now. You seem chill. Oh yeah, just even when we travel, I don't really, rush. Changing and flooding with Whakairo. Oh, tēnā koe. Tēnā koe Diani? Did I say that right? Tēnā koe tuahine, kai te pēhea koe. And I'm whānau. Yeah, sorry no music today. I may have forgotten to charge the iPad. Professional much, eh? Mea rawa ake. Kia ora kei. Yeah, if there's no songs today, it's probably because I forgot to charge the iPad. I ngā wā katoa, eh? Well, I've tried as hard as I can just to make you understand, but the world, it just won't stop. Bro, my studio. Oh, far out. How can you betray Dota like that? I know, my precious Earth Shaker, my precious Storm Spirit. I do apologize. 400 years. Also, chat, so I was up late last night, right, watching the baby, and I had the sudden urge to watch Tropic Thunder again. Bro, that was in fits, bro. How to drop character into the video commentary. Simple Jack. Thank you, Noah. Tēnā koe, my bro. Coming across your lives, you're such a pleasant human. Hey, thank you, Ash K. Appreciate you. Those who know. What's up, Minecraft fan? How you doing, also? Hey, what's up, Wolf? I'm doing good, my brother. Doing good. Just been, over the weekend, just living life, my bro, with my kids. As they get older, my bro, I was like, oh, they're not my babies anymore. Even my big girl, she goes, Dad, can I hang out with some boys today? I said, my fucking ass you are. Hell no. One of my traits as a father, Chad, I don't care. I'm overprotective. And I will be until the day, you know. Until the day I die. That's a trait I carry on, you know, proudly on my chest. Everyone knows it. Thank you very much to Impulix for the raid. Kia ora, brother. Hello there, hope you're doing well. What's up, Silver Share Gorath? Oh, we have a Oblivion player. I see you, brother. Another day seeing you live in one wonderful day. Hey, thank you, Bucker. Always be your little girl. Yeah, I tell them that, my bro. I was like, yous will always be my babies. Yous could be old, grown up. Yous will still be my babies. Thank you very much. Open bracket, close bracket, 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 open bracket, close bracket. Thank you, brother. Nice, yes, yeah, that's my millennial summoning jutsu. That's how we know who was all born in the era of all eras. There you go. Oh, someone just skidded in the distance somewhere. Thank you, Stan and Paul. Kia ora, brothers. Yeah, that was someone's name. Happy to see a fellow Oblivion player. OG. Nah, OG. I played back in the OG as well as the new, my bro. I have more fond memories on Oblivion as opposed to Skyrim. Don't get me wrong, however, both are amazing games. But yeah, my heart will always be with Oblivion first. Yeah. So has your studio got power and everything now, Thunder? Ever heard of... No, what's that? Always brightens my day when I jump on and you're streaming. Hey, cheers, man. Like I always say, as long as people enjoy their time here, W's. W's, noiho. What in the Z clips? What up? Got a snot rocket. Oh yeah. I'm a navigator. Where is the chisel I'm looking for? Here it is. Like that to the moon. I'm gonna sit down, check. Tahumai. Took a minute, but oh, nice. Kia ora two clips, kei te pia koe. Kei te pai, brother, kei te pai. Kei te ora tonu, koe te mea nui. Te hari kua nā tamariki, so I can't complain, brother. Well, one of them is about to be really upset today. They're getting their M's today. Yeah, it took a minute to set up. Oh, nice, my bro. So I remember when you We're starting to set it up, eh? When you got all the pieces. No matter what the weather, we're together. Alright, hey, this piece is looking amazing. It's been a while since I've seen it. Oh, kia ora. Oh, well, welcome back, Anu. Hope you've been enjoying your break wherever you've been. And yeah, this is pretty much home stretch and donezo. So the reason why I'm doing this little design here is just so you know it's better than putting my name. I don't want to, you know, plaster my name all over a carving. I'd rather, you know, not do that. And just put a little design instead. The walls are looking blank. We need some art. Should I send you one? Give us your address and I'll send you one. Hashtag not a carving. What's up, Alex? How are you, brother? It'll be a anime piece. I'm gonna head out. All good, brother. Have an amazing day, eh? I'll see you around. Yeah, we won't be live for too long today. Normally I try and go for 4 to 5 hours, but I have commitments with the family today around 12 o'clock, so we'll be finishing up relatively early today too. Will I go live tonight? I don't know. It depends how good the K-drama I watch tonight is. If it's not good, then the other hurdle I have to get through is asking my wife if I can stream. If she says no, then I'll probably just carry on watching the K-drama. Yes, I have been going for a K-drama phase. Thank you very much for the glasses. I felt like Elton John for a bit there. What? No, K-dramas. Korean dramas. That's been my steez lately. If you haven't watched them, I recommend Crash Landing on You, Queen of Tears as well. Whew. I don't know why in their Queen of Tears one the room just suddenly got dusty, man. Whew. Damn. What's up, Tree? Joe, my brother. Thank you, Not Mani, for the manawa. Yeah, those are the 2 Korean dramas I recommend to all the sisters out there that are indulging, all the brothers. Probably more the sisters watching though. I was gonna put my own art up, but I was like, yeah, to critique you. Oh, I see you. I see you. Not the only one that does that. So yes, chat. Oh yeah, to everyone. If you want a good Korean drama to watch, Crash Landing on You and Queen of Tears. Why is Vinger Boy? Don't do Vinger Boys because the iPad's flat. Have you guys seen? I've seen that on Netflix, but I haven't watched it. But at the moment we're watching Potato Lab. It's been good so far. A bit of a slow start, but getting to the nitty gritty now. And I've found, I think my category is the romance ones, chat. I think I like the romance ones. A Time Called You was really good. Oh, yeah. Might get back into streaming. Yeah, hurry up. Stop being a teetoy and just hurry up. I've been waiting for a Thunder stream for ages. What's up, Vinny? What's going on here? We are just doing the designs around the outer part of this hook now. Well, I remember you. What's up, Jill? Hey, morning, Nicitude. Oh, you're the one I forgot to message last night too about the fleet. I just saw all the bags and I was like, oh, where's all the boxes? So I just sent a message to JR. I'm guessing they've changed like the produce game in the city. From what I was looking at. You should watch. Don't know hometown. Love Alarm. And Ready Set Love. Oh, are they quite good ones? Yo, Omelette, thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. How are you, my bro? Oh, Omelette. That's what I'm thinking of. Someone who enjoys learned old skills of learning to skill of flint napping at the moment. I hope you're having a good day. Sending love from California. Cheer, brother John. Yo, how's that going though, brother? I'm doing good as well, my bro. Just another day. Another day, my bro. Another day, another wood chip, brother. So we're coming towards the end of this pretty much. And we're getting ready to finalize a few things on it. And then eventually the last thing that I have to do is stain it. And then we're good. So this was it was a fun project. All that's left to do really is to finish the design around here, clean up a little bit, and cut that out, and then clean up in the inside. That's essentially all that's left to do. What are you making? Joe Biden. We are doing a Sleepy Joe. I still think that's a funny name, bro. Sleepy Joe. I'm doing good, brother. Tēnā koe, I remember seeing you on TV, my family. Oh, really? On the TV? Jay, tēnā koe, Jez, oh, how do I say this? Jesse Zenon? Thank you very much. Oh, on the TV. Damn. Mind you, I don't even watch TV these days other than the Netflix. How long would something like this take you from start to finish? Offline, probably hours. Online, yeah, it takes a little bit longer. But that's because I like to have a yappy. A lot of people think, oh, you know, carvers don't like talking to anyone while they work. But we're some of the biggest shit talkers out there. Because we enjoy having a yarn. Yeah, whether we're talking about nothing, talking about something, tea sessions, you know. But yeah, it does take a little bit longer online, but I don't mind. I do have a commission that's due in September that I need to put my focus on as well. But it'll most likely be after this. We are doing a partiti or a hatchet for a birthday. It's for a family member, and surprisingly, they're gonna pay. So yeah, it's a prioritized job that I must do. Isn't this guy an actor? Yes. I'm not. No. Boxers have been stopped by deaths due to people exploiting them and carrying loads of. Oh really? During fights or something. But for us that means boxes don't work, so we can't use them, so bunch of bags. Oh, okay, so that's what all those bags are. True. Were you in Hunt for the Wilder people? Yes. I was the bush behind Psycho Sam. The one that didn't actually move, you know? That was me. Didn't see me in there because that's how good I was. I read books while listening to the stream, and the character in the book is having me heated when I punch the fictional character. What's your book about, brother? Are you reading those raunchy romance books? My auntie has a lot of those. I'm like, ooh yeah. It's like, oh, shut up. But I'm that kind of nephew anyway. Might see you on the Kdramas instead now, eh? You can tell me, just good to be here. Had recommended. Oh, really? Could call you just. Yeah, nah, I've been watching K-dramas, well, since baby was born, really? Yeah, since baby was born. She's like, what, like 3 months now? Wait, she'll be 4 months now. Monday. So yeah, your boy has been indulging. And I feel like I'm catching on to the language as well. I wouldn't mind learning another language though, whether it be, you know, Korean, Japanese. I do want to learn another language. Sign is definitely one that I really want to learn. I have a few cousins that do sign language as well, and asked them to teach me, but you know, forever busy family, so haven't really had the time to. Hello Ismail, your fan and T-Man. Thank you very much for the gifties. What in the sirens is going on? This guy got arrested yesterday on our block chat because he was stealing people's clothes off the laundry lines. I was like, if that isn't, you know, weirdo.com, then I don't know what is. Enough Korean and... Oh, true superhero. Congrats on growing your family. Ah, thank you, man. Yeah, she's, your boy's a girl, Dad. But, I love her, eh? It's cool. My eldest is, very sensitive. She has a big heart, too. Our second, she's the rough diamond. She's a lot like myself. She does, she gets into jiu-jitsu and the outdoors. But if you see me with my nails done, chat, and they're piss poor quality, it's probably them. If it was me, it would have been good. It's like, can we do your nails, Dad? You're not allowed to be shit, though. That's normally my answer towards them. Can we do your nails? You're not allowed to be shit, that's all. Do you still stream? I'm literally streaming right now on 4 different platforms. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, down here in the Southern Hemisphere. Hello from the UK. Hey, is it Lois? I know it's late in the UK, so don't stay up too late to watch me. What's up, Du Bois? Yo, Charlie and Daniel, thank you very much for the aroha. Oh, nice hello from California. Knows how to party, my bro. Do you still play Marvel Rivals? Yes, I do. I've been learning in different characters instead of playing Groot all the time. But yeah, still main magic is my DPS. I guess she's the DPS I enjoy the most. But I've been learning just different vanguards instead of playing the same few all the time. Like Emma Frost, and I've been playing Strange for a little bit, but not consistently, you know. And yeah, different supports, since Mantis ain't really that good anymore. I used to spam Mantis, bro. Do people ask you to do. Yeah. I've been asked to do the Korg impression for about 5 years. 5 years, my bro. Mantis was so much fun. Yeah. I just feel like she's not very impactful anymore. I feel like she needs a buff, or if they even do them, like a rework. Because she just can't keep up with a lot of the other supports, in my opinion. Like, I play characters in all different roles. Yo, brother Andrew, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pharrellmon. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Kia ora. Thank you, Celine. What is that? It is a fish hook. Well, hey, Mato. This is a commission for someone in the Twitch chat. So I have a little thing once again. Like, if you watch the stream, you accumulate channel points, right? And there may be times where I might do a prediction and whatnot. But, essentially, there's a redeem in my chat where it's 1,000,000 channel points. If you redeem it, you get a free carving. A free wood carving. And that includes postage, as well. So I've actually got one to send out. Just been trying to find a bloody box that'll fit it. There you go. Morning, Yuffie. How are you? That's been the trouble with the latest one so far. But yeah, this one's free. Yeah, the bro Low Gains redeemed 1,000,000 channel points for this one. Long time sub as well. And yeah, he wanted a Heimato. Or in a larger scale. So this form here is normally in a pendant form. So it's normally, worn around your neck. But yeah, the bro wanted it in a larger scale. And we deliver. So from Orcs, Trunks, what's up, Rick, dude? Where's Carl? Where's Carl? Man, I haven't watched Walking Dead in a long time, bro. Kind of stopped when, where did I stop watching it? When they got rid of Rick. I was like, yeah, nah, L show now. Don't want to watch it anymore. I know they did like a standalone with Daryl. But other than that, yeah, I just kind of stopped watching it after that. Just waking up, yeah, curry. It fell off. Yeah, it didn't hit the same, eh? Didn't hit the same. And I know they've done like off-branch programs of it too. Hi from London, kia ora user. I know it's late in London. Don't stay up too late, eh, my brother? One moment, whānau. Yeah, inspired me to keep pushing forward as a streamer. That's the one, bro, And saying that too, don't do like long ass streams. Do a reasonable amount of hours, but at the same time, make sure you're getting your clips in. That's the main thing, and posting them on your TikTok. Because at the end of the day, TikTok is the biggest platform that everyone's using. Whether you're shitting on the couch, out in a hammock somewhere, shitting again, walking around with your phone while you're trying to cook, which only takes 30 minutes, but it ends up taking an hour because you're scrolling. I always forget that it's winter in Australia. Yeah, it's winter here too. Love from St. George, Utah. Geez, it must be cold over there. Oh no, he's in summer, so it wouldn't be. So every time I come back and every time I hear Chill Vibe, it's getting pretty late here in Norway. No, go to sleep, my brother. Appreciate you for dropping by. I know it'll be late for the EU. So yeah, make sure you don't stay up at silly o'clock for me, eh? At the end of the day, you know, I appreciate you stopping by, but main thing you want to do is get some rest. I appreciate the EUers watching late at night, and obviously, you know, at the same time, appreciate everyone that's tuning in today. Once again, it's just a short stream today because I've got commitments with my girl. She's already talking about, you know, Dad, when can I come to the gym with you? I was like, bro, just enjoy being a kid first. Trying to grow up too fast, little girl. Watching from Saudi Arabia. Oh, kia ora, bro. What's the time in your part of the world? England, Ireland, and of course the All Blacks. I wonder if you, as a New Zealander... Yeah, I watch rugby, brother. I actually really want to try and take my daughters to a Black Ferns game one day. Or the Women's Warriors game, in the hopes that, you know, it inspires them to carry on in whatever path there may be. My big girl has recently been getting into hockey, so I used to play hockey when I was a kid, so I've been teaching her what I know. South Africa this side. Oh, kia ora, brother. Watching from Germany. Kia ora, my bro. Is that Robert? Thank you very much for the rose. Roberto. Good to catch a stream. Yes, my bro. Yeah, well, I think when we start this other piece as well, we'll get some nighttime streams going again. Some Whakairo ones. There will be the odd gym stream here and there, but I'm still not confident enough to walk around the gym with my stream on. Just because I feel like an absolute titty. So yeah, shout out to like gym streamers and gym content creators that do that, because holy, that's hard. Thank you, Queen Zot, for the rose. Oh, for the crab. This piece is looking nice. I appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, so we're almost done, bro, with the designing. That's pretty much like all we have left there to do. Like within my fingers there, that's what's left. And then cleaning after that. Thank you, 2 meter dash, is that it? For the roses. Hello, I am Virok. How are you, brother? Thank you, Kels, for the manawa as well. Maori in the building. Every night, every morning, I fall in love again and again. I don't really know it. Love his music, brother. I think in general, I just love Hawaii. Never been there in my life, but I don't know, man. It's just something about that place that draws me to it. How has Gym Journey been so far? So over the weekend I didn't go, so me and the kids just went for a walk outside, just making sure we move, brother. Kanaka Maoli. Hey, kia ora, Kelson. Tēnā koe. Thank you, Nuff C. Zach and Magom 7D for the roses. Is that music? Is that a music hook? What, this? Did you watch the British Lions game? Nah, brother. What was I doing? I can't even remember what I was doing, brother. We don't have Sky Sports in my house. We saving. And we don't do VIP box, too many pop-ups. So we just wait for the result. Yeah, me and my wife are currently saving right now. Where are you from? To Hoi and Te Aroa. Yo, Lucas, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Morena Maximus, kei te pēhea koe. Beram, thank you very much for the rose. Mother Mary, come to me. Feeding words of wisdom. Let it be. Let's get these done, chat. We need to do a maintenance stream, chat. We really need to do one as well. Yo, morning Battle Tanker. Get your pay out queer, my bro. They are removing carvings from all prisons in NZ now. Oh, I wouldn't be surprised, eh? With the way this government's going. Anything Maori, brother? Not a fan, they are. I mean, they even wasted taxpayer dollars just to put English before the Māori name of the country, so... Talk about irresponsible spending.
Coleman cheered X10. Hope you're having a fantastic day.
Hey, appreciate you, brother Bloody Skullman. I'm doing good, my brother. Are you not on Twitch anymore? I'm literally live there and on 4 different platforms. We're on Twitch. You should have just clicked over to have a look. No. Thank you, Carlos and Martin. Cheers, brothers. Thank you, Midi, as well. I would absolutely love to see Jim streams as well. Yeah, brother. When I get confident enough, my bro, otherwise I'll probably try and go at like silly hours when no one's there. Thank you, Ian and Carlos again. What are you making? We are carving a hook, brother. Shout out watching from the Philippines. Kia ora, my bro. All the way in the Philippines. I love Jim, but too shy to record anything. Yeah, that's me too, brother. Me too. What's up, Reese? Usually see baits by numbers. Hey, brother. Hope you're doing good, my bro. Hope the law business is going well too, brother. If you're a bit of a fisherman, chat, to anyone out there, go on Tok and search up baits by numbers. That's the bro. Go give him a follow. We almost finished. Yeah, pretty much, brother. Well, that was the last one that we just punched in there. So genuinely, yeah, that's it. That was the last piece of the design phase, pretty much, that we just punched in there. Now all I'm going to do is like clean it up. GG's. The design phase is over. The design phase be over there, laddie. W's, W. Now the more annoying part. Cleaning phase. Making sure nothing is left unturned, you know? If you don't like the cleaning phase, if you're a woodworker, then you're probably going to want to use a black stain, alright? How did you discover this talent? I'll be honest, brother. Back in primary school, my uncle was the wood carving teacher. That's the only reason I went to the classes, because it was my uncle. I didn't know, you know, any ounce of Whakairo. Never, you know, held a chisel. I knew about the carvings, but never really, you know, did it physically until that faithful day back in school. And it was pretty much GG from there, brother, because I pretty much all the dreams and aspirations I had that time as a young fella. Like for example, I might actually make a video out of it. I actually wanted to be a zookeeper. One animal in particular was the red panda. I know, very specific, eh? But essentially that's what I wanted to study about. If not zookeeping, try and get into the art department at Blizzard. The aspirations of a young fella, pretty much. But then eventually, what did the rubber do? Rub the pencil out. But essentially, yeah, once I discovered Whakairo and had a natural knack for it, I kind of put those aspirations to the side in pursuit of something from my culture, pretty much. Might have to get a random red panda emote, eh? Charlie Fitz, thank you very much for the manawas, my bro. Kia ora. But yeah, pretty much all in all, when I found out, you know, as well that Whakairo was a family affair, like a lot of family members within our genealogy actually did this, it was, yeah, I didn't want to do anything else. Pie Calls, thank you very much for the 8 months as an Optimus Prime, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Kia ora from Masterton. Kia ora, my bro. What's up, Jay? And Anime Shorts. Hey, watching from Georgia, USA. Kia ora, brother. What's the time in Georgia? Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I've been living here all my life. We're down here in the southern hemisphere. Down here in the bottom of the world, my bro. We are currently in winter. So if you're sweating, you know, if your sack is stuck to your leg and you're wondering why is this dickhead in a coat, then you know. Now you know. Through the haka. Not for free. Yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, we're in the winter in this part of the world. Don't forget, brothers, just a little step to the side to unstick, alright? Just a little step to the side. Watching from Kosovo. Oh, where's that, brother? What are we making right now? Patrick, we are carving. Oh, we just finished designing this, brother. It's all done. All that's really left to do is what we're going to do now is do one more You know, look over it one more time, see if there's anything that needs to be cleaned. Once that phase is over, then we cut the middle out. We cut this middle section out here. And after that, we clean up in the inside here as well. And then that's it. Stain it. Send it. It's like 3 degrees earlier, then I start. You know that stream where I was cold as last week? It's because I was carving in -1. That's why my hands were so cold. I was like, oh, yeah, that sounds about right. That's why that stream was so cold, bro. It was, yeah, -1 vibes. What is the most popular thing you've carved? Oh, it's hard to say. Because even I don't know. Carved a couple chodes in my time for birthdays. But that was for the bros. We even done one and we replaced his door handle with it. Veins and everything. How much do your carvings pieces cost? It varies, it varies. But at the same time, you know, that nice bone in my body kind of cucks me in terms of like pricing as well. Like for example, there's a carving behind me actually. That one there. So the Popo guys, POU, that one over there, I'd probably sell that for about 7 to 8. But the nice fellow in me wants to sell it for 5. But I try and mitigate that by thinking about my kids. This, even though this is free, I don't know, what would I sell this for? $3 to $4 maybe? Something like that. Some Noah. Do you ship worldwide? Yes, we have one that's going to America that I need to send to America. And wherever the bro stays for this. I don't want to say where exactly, but yeah. Thank you, Kai Dive, for the kia ora. How do I get into wood carving? You buy yourself some wood carving tools and a piece of timber. That is pretty much how you get into wood carving. Pretty much, yeah. Damn, we actually finished all the designing. How good. How me... Hey, Jacko. Hey, that's the main thing, eh? Like, for me, I hate to sound like this guy, but if my content that I do can save someone, I hate that I'm saying that too, but you know, I can't complain. You know, you're not the only one. You're not alone. Like I always say within this stream, it is your cheeky corner of the internet, whether you're watching Twitch. I'm just gonna say the words anyway. If I do get banned on Twitch, it is what it is. YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. Just know that you can all open up here. If people judge you, they will not last long here. I will ban them myself. So to those that, you know, fight those silent battles, you ain't alone. I try and help because I care. Yeah, and people within those chats will help out as well. That's pretty much the reason. Yeah, there's nothing else to it. Where are we? Yeah, it's as simple as that. There's no, you know, Morse code, launch sequence, answer. It's just simple, just because I care. But yeah, well, that's all the designing done. We'll go over all the marks that we've just carved. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a break and chat to you guys. My family loves you. Hey, much love to your family too, brother Chris. How do you speak out of one was to find it hard to? In the chat? Or like Discord maybe? I still need to add my Discord onto the talk as well. We have a get it off your chest section in the TikTok. What are your usual carving projects like? This looks kind of special. I feel like everything that I do within Whakairo is special. And genuinely, I hope, you know, whoever the recipients may be in life, love it. That's the main thing. Hey, what's up, Real Sports? World needs more people like you. Okay, the secret to the world being better, everyone just has to stop being a cunt. Try it for 1 week and see if anything changes. You never know, it might be bloody amazing. But everyone loves being dickheads in the world, you know. And you know, we can't really control anyone from feeling how they want to feel. Don't worry, my fellow Americans, that word is completely normal here. If I do offend, I didn't mean to. But yeah. That's all it comes down to. Everyone just has to stop being an asshole for a whole week and see what the world looks like after that. Yo, what's up, Wrath TV? My brother, how you doing? Very profound. Cheers, Sky. How you splendid sploinks? We just having a break, brother. We finished all the designing. What inspired you to do what you do, boss? So the main two inspirations for why I do this day in, day out are my ancestors. From all the hardship that they went through in the past, from the Tohunga Suppression Act, which is an act passed by Parliament in Lizzie's Lizzie's ancestors back in the day. I feel like, you know, King Harry and them aren't that bad. And what's the old guy's name? Charles. Yeah, he probably forgets his name just as much as I do. Anyway, so there was an act of Parliament passed back then called the Tohunga Suppression Act, which basically outlawed anything within my culture. Like, even me speaking my own language back then, it was you know, lock them up and throw away the key kind of vibe. But because we were people that are very fuck around and find out, it didn't, you know, last very long. But that's thanks to Sir Apirananata as well and many others. Another one is the generation gap from when all my forefathers went to war and didn't come back, because they were that generation that was supposed to pass it on to the next, and it didn't happen. So genuinely, those are two of the biggest whys in my life why I continue to do it to this day. And the next generation, they'll always be my driving force, even though I'll never meet majority of them in my life. From, you know, Māori to every other, you know, young person out in the world. You know, they're the reason why I try and drive myself to be, I guess, the only thing I want to be in life is a good example. Yeah, and if, you know, the younger generation can take inspiration from that, if the young Māori, you know, decide that, you know, they want to do something within our culture in their lives, then yeah, I think that's the W I take away from life. What's up, Shane? Have you met The Rock yet? No, I haven't. I would love to meet Jason Momoa though. Mainly because I became a fan of him back when he released a video about fatherhood. Yeah. And since then I've been a fan. And I've met him once in my life. This was before he did his Game of Thrones audition. And he did the haka. Your voice is so peaceful. Yo, brother Dylan and Nathaniel, thank you very much for the roses, my bros. But yeah, essentially that's pretty much my whys in life, why I do this. If people can be, you know, if people can be inspired to follow the things that they're passionate about in life because of the stream, you know, that's a W to me. What do? I touch wood in the mornings, 365 days a year, thoroughly with tools, and make these. I only touch wood in the morning with my hands. Raspy hands, raspy palms, eh? Not even joking. It's actually real. All men do here, not like me though. Creatively touching wood, eh? Here, I'll show you what we've done. I keep grinding my paintings, saying, hey, nice, my brother. That's the one, bro. How has your paintings been going, brother? Yeah, so this is what touching wood in the morning gets you. All of that. So this is what we've done so far on this piece here. So we designed one side and then reversed it and did the inside, okay? With the design on the outside. Yo, Hot Popper, thank you very much for the 2 months. What's up, Whakairo? So this is, yeah, pretty much all we have to do now is do a clean up. Clean up a few things if we can find any. And in my own time, then I'll cut this out. So we cut this section out here. And clean up on the inside as well. Yo, what's up, Mish? Oh, Mizash. Kia ora. Yeah, so this is tōtara. It's a native red pie. Native red pie into my country. Yeah, that's what we've been slamming. And pretty much we just finished all the designing. How many hours? I lost track on day 1. Yeah, I hardly ever keep track of that stuff, brother. Any tips for a woodcarver like myself? Take your time. Yo, Harrison and M, first of all, thank you very much for the aroha. My advice to other woodcarvers, take your time. You know, make sure you know how to use your tools. You don't need to splash out on all the expensive stuff straight away. I never did. Get comfortable with your tools as well. And the main thing you gotta do is don't be scared to make mistakes, eh? You can't learn if you don't make any. And from that's when you can, you know, finally start to see your processes unfold as you progress. Yeah, you gotta make mistakes in life to learn. Otherwise, you know, you can't be scared and, oh, I don't think I should do that. Just do them. Who cares? The only person that's gonna care is you. And then from that, then you'll know how to, you know, progress from that. Is that a fish hook? Yeah, it's probably not gonna catch one fish though. Just saying. Oh, you're from NZ too? What part, my bro? Brother Dylan and Brother M and Tornado. Thank you very much for the aroha. Hi from the Philippines. Tēnā koe. I Techno Beat sent a treasure box with 100... What? A treasure box. Thank you, Tornado. Yeah, we're just having a chill before we get into that final clean. Morning, Tia. How are you, brother? Thank you, Tornado, for the 75 roses from Tūrangi. Oh, tēnā koe. Hello, mate, from Northern Ireland. Hey, brother. Favourite piece, every single one, brother. Zach and Zayden, thank you for the aroha. Hey, all the way from London. Good evening, Maximilian, or it's probably early hours. Oh, from Pairoa. Oh, you just over the hill. Thank you, Raymond. Love your content. Keep doing it. We'll do, my brother. We'll do. What's up from Wisconsin? Alright, we must be having a round the world roll call. So shout out where you're from right now. And I just like seeing the different places, eh? Rory, tēnā koe. Do you like your job? No, I love it. Alright, we got Manchester. We got Manchester, Minnesota, Middlesbrough, Texas. We got Netherlands. Oh, Tokyo, Japan, Tijuana, Mexico. Wait, you live in Mexico? Not me thinking you live in the EU tree. California, Oregon, Detroit, South Carolina. Oh, a few Oregons in there. Kentucky, Manchester, Malaysia, Western Australia, Costa Rica, United Kingdom, Georgia, Norway, Manchester again, New York, Wisconsin, New Zealand, Ireland, Gloucester? Where's that? California, Gold Coast in Australia. Where else? Sheffield, Philadelphia. Go Birds, brother. Whakairo. Go the Birds, man. Go the Birds. I saw a video of Jordan, by the way. One of my favourite NFL players, Jordan Mailata, and he spoke about, we're not the champs anymore. We won that. That's last year's business. It's time to try again. British Columbia. Oh, cheer, Lisa. And I love Jordan's mindset, eh? I love it, bro. He's the man. If I could ever get him on the podcast one day, oh, bro, it'll be buzzy. It'll be buzzy as. Brother, what chisels you use? I use Swiss ones. My Lata's a beast. Yeah, bro. I watched it, bro, and I was like, bro, this dude's the man. I love the mindset within the Eagles right now. It's cool. I will be supporting the 49ers as well, because the bro plays with them. What's your favourite wood to carve? Free timber. Can't beat it, my bro. Whether it's ugly, whether it's good, it is the best to carve. Gotta go get kids bricky. All good, superhero. A superhero, have a good day. Oh, so it's morning over in Japan. Chair. Bro, I want to go to the place where Musashi is buried one day. Just to sit there, bro, and be in awe of an absolute warrior. Yo! Is it Frosty? Could be wrong. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, bro. If you got a gifted sub on Twitch, please give the bro a thank you, or better yet, glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut, alright? Thank you, brother. Frosty. Ah, yeah. Thank you very much, my bro. Where are we? Just trying to keep it. Hey, yo, hey, that's just something I say, my bro. Glaze him. Glaze the bro. What's up, full stuff? How you doing, man? I'm doing good, brother. Doing good. We just, we just finished up. We just finished up all the designing. Thank you very much, Tornado, for the star. Children just lurking. Oh, appreciate the lurks, though, brother. Straight up. I missed a comment from, is it reggae music? What was the comment? Hey, morning, Nakura. No, I missed it, my bad. Oh, we're still going to be cleaning it. There's still little things that could be tended to. So we'll get that done. I saw the picture of the new avatar as well. She's got a peg leg. It's the Earthbender girl. Yeah, it's the avatar's got a peg leg. Where are we? I want to get into Maori carving, but I'm in Sunshine Coast. Oh, yeah, okay. That's a bit of a different one, eh? Is there like any Maori group pages on Facebook that you can reach out to? Surely there's some there, slotted in there somewhere. Can you cheer me up? My boyfriend just broke up with me. Well, at first you got to give yourself some time to feel, eh? It's only, it's only natural that you should feel the way you do. So don't, try to suppress those feelings. Sometimes in life you just gotta have a good cry. Hey, don't be that guy and try and bottle it up. But when when the dust has settled, that's when it's time for you to focus on you. The only person you're going against when you're ready is yourself. So that's where the real progress starts, with yourself. All in all, what I'll say now, from this point on, your mindset needs to be fuck that guy and move on. Basically. In my opinion, anyway. Don't let your emotions stay inside. And this is coming from a medically retired Marine. Oh, cheer, brother Cyborg. You good, though? You all good now? Yo, Frosty. Brother, do a flip, backflip. No, tell your mum to do one.
1000.
Frosty, thank you very much for the 1,000 biddies, my bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. Very generous of you, my bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry, that's my new answer to the backflip question. Tell your mum to do one. I'm not gonna do a bloody backflip. I don't even know how to. Anyone jam wow on Faralina at all? Horde, by the way. Need Faralina friends. Thank you very, very much, brother. I'm glad I didn't get blown up or anything. I ended up completely tearing my ACL. Oh, okay. Just want to make sure that you're right most of all. How are you always so jolly? Not always, you know. I'm not invincible to a bad day, but I just have, you know, solutions to it. I just go to the gym. Best place to, you know, hurt yourself, but grow at the same time. If you get the angle I'm coming from. If not the gym, there are 3 little humans in my life that have the superpower of making any bad day forgotten. That's the superpowers they have for their dad. And they'll never know it till they get older. Oh, well, they'll never know it at all, to be honest. Yeah, they're the other 2 main reasons why, you know, they make a bad day not seem so shit anymore. Indy Racing, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Sounds like they deserve a trip to Samoa. I still don't know where they came from, with my daughter. Like, we were just sitting there, I just got her lunch ready for school, and I sat down. She goes, Dad, I said, what? I always wanted to go to Samoa. I was like, the fuck? Since when? Since now. And I got my phone out. What did you say? I always wanted to go to Samoa. Keep positive mindset. The negative one, you make more mistakes when you have it. Yes, my bro. 100%, brother. Where do you sell your work? At home. That's not dumb at all. Yeah, I don't have a website. I just prefer to make a genuine connection as opposed to a website, you know, taking that from me. Call me old-fashioned, brother. That's just how I roll. Yeah, I prefer a genuine connection over, you know, doing a shop. And that just means I have another bro to talk shit to in the future. Or talk shit with, I should say. Yo, thank you, brother Lucas. Brox, I've given out so many of those Dragonlings. Oh, bro. Yeah, thanks for that, my bro. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. I know your voice from somewhere. Far Cry 3. Yes. Whakapiri mai. Whakatatata mai. I'm still surprised they used the Māori language in their game, eh? Is that the Far Cry and at the end the guy pegs the lady and she like gets him in the chest? I don't know how to say it in TikTok language. Kia ora, Iwara. It is. Oh yeah, and he gets the fake ass tattoo, eh? That is so dumb, bro. You know Uncle Tix. Yeah, I'm aware of Uncle Tix, brother. Luke and Lucas, thank you very much for the biddies. Oh, for the gifties, sorry. I enjoyed the last Far Cry. The one with the guy from Mandalorian. I keep forgetting his name. That's the bad ending. Yeah. I done all endings. I don't think I actually finished that one, eh? I still have it as well. Maybe I should finish it. Because I got the Panther. Thank you very much for the hype train, Fano. Over on Twitch. You still play well? Yeah, I was playing it last night. I made the mistake of playing 2 different servers and then playing a third. I don't remember, mop leveling being so slow. Far out. Well, mind you, I'm just taking my time with it. But I've been enjoying playing with friends over on Benediction. Hey man, say what? Well, what's funny? I don't understand. U8K. What phone are you using? Just the iPhone. Yeah, I don't have that Samsung big ass one that everyone uses for live streaming. But because those are dear. Hell no. I'm not really one that buys the latest and greatest shit. I don't buy a new phone till my next one breaks. So you'll probably see me get the iPhone. What's it on now? Probably 35. For a couple years, I used my phone. Hey, what's up, Jay? Over on the tube. How do you feel about Warhammer 40k, Salamanders and the Conqueradons? And the Death Watcher, my favourite. Yeah, that's not really me, man. I don't really try and get... I'm not a materialistic person. I don't really care. I'd rather have Californian roll sushi than a new phone. That's my jam, bro. Well, bro, I'm still fiending for a good ramen. There's no good ramen place in this bloody town. Conqueradons, yeah, bro. When I found out there was a kind of like a Polynesian inspired chapter, I was like, yep, they're about to be my favorites too. But essentially it was the Salamanders first. I didn't know too much about Warhammer. I did start showing interest and everyone went, you'll probably like the Salamanders. And sure enough, they were right. Thank you, brother Zach. They were well and truly right about that one, straight up. Where do you think you'll end up if you didn't discover your passion for carving? I'd probably be in a zoo. In the Red Panda Sanctuary, hopefully, or working in the art department at Blizzard. Those were my 2 dreams before, I found the path that, was set out in front of me. Now I'll break from it for today. Oh, yeah, so that was one of my dream jobs. Working in a zoo and studying about red pandas. I know, random as but essentially that's what I wanted to do. Bro, Aura Chiles. Yeah, I was probably a sloth in my past life. The funniest one in the group. And that's always good. Keep up the work, man. Always, brother. Oh, always got to keep 10 toes down, my bro. You know why? Gravity. That's the only reason. That's the only, reason why. Gravity. But unlike John Mayer, it's not working against me. Yo, thank you, Jonah and Jacob. Namahinu brothers. What's stopping you from pushing for your dreams? I'm literally living my dream now. I've always loved my culture and wood carving, or Whakairo, because it's part of my culture. And been able to share it with the world is a bonus as well. I didn't think I'd be a full-time streamer in life. I loved watching streams. But genuinely being able to share what I love with the world is definitely, you know, something I never saw on my bingo card in life. Yo, what up, Thomas? But you know, I really love it. It's cool, and I try and stream every day for everyone because of all the support I get. At the same time, I'm trying to do new things this year too. Like I did mention on the horizon when me and my wife eventually get a house we're saving up for, I'm gonna be going into stone carving. Because within our culture, there's more than one art form. Like, don't get me wrong, Whakairo will always be my favorite thing to do in life, but at the same time, you know, as a streamer, I want to explore different avenues too. Like voice acting is something I really enjoy. Yeah, so I've been trying to do that in my own time as well. And it's all because of GTA roleplay, eh? And something I had the honor, and one person I had the honor of meeting IRL was the voice actor of Roadhog. Ah, he's such a nice dude, bro. He's like a real nice dude. Do you have a rough time frame? Nah, bro. Me and my wife are just budgeting and trying to save. We did say we might look at the end of the year. Might start looking. I'll be honest, we're just waiting for the market to crash. We know it's gonna happen. Then we'll start looking. AOC, thank you very much for the koalas, and Pavsu as well. It's crazy to think how life can be unexpected. Very much, bro. Very much so. Yeah, it's like I don't really plan for the future other than trying to save and get a house with my family. That's like my last dream I have in my life, really. And once I achieve that, maybe, you know, it's time to start thinking about new ones. But that's always been something I've been hyper fixated on. Even as a young guy, I was like, whoever I'm with in life, we will have a house of our own. Because I always knew, you know, I was going to marry someone in life. Corny much, but yeah, it's just the stuff I thought of when I was young. And then, yeah, crossed paths with my wife in life. We've been together for about 10 years and 1 year married. Do you play LOL? Was actually, if you were playing an ARAM, it was me. Yes, unfortunately, League of Legends has got me by the tits again, so I'm playing the damn game again. It's not bloody good. You're going to animate your own show or characters? I have no idea. I'll just be keen to do it for fun. Your volleys. You were volleying. Oh, bro, I know I had a couple games as volley bear. Yeah, a lot of people are like, this can't be Brox. You don't like League of Legends. And I'm like, oh, unfortunately, I am. Well, this is what happens, eh? I watch one game of my Demon King Faker, and then I'm like, fuck, I want to play League again. Not good. Yeah, I'm too scared to get back into normal games just yet. They're too long. So I just do the ARAMs. You're a fan of FPS games? What am I playing in terms of like FPS? Nothing really, other than waiting for Battlefield now. Yeah, bro. The power of the grind compels you to stop playing League of Legends. Yeah, bro. I haven't really been playing any FPS games. I don't think Supervive counts. How do you know what to carve? Other designs or mine? So every design that you might see me do, brother, is all generational knowledge that's been passed down. I'm getting a blocked nose. All been passed down, my bro. So in our culture, brother, we didn't have books or written. We didn't have a written language. So the way it was all passed down was, yeah, pretty much face to face. Learning as you go. But yes, my bro, I am back on League of Legends. My cousin had a few games with me. She gifted me some freaking bunny rabbit girl. I don't really know much about it. Bunny rabbit girl, Akali. Who else? And some freaking dog. Yeah, there's some dog duck in there. I don't even. Last champion that was released when I was playing. Jeez, who was it? I think it was Jin. That was the last time I played League. Then, like, I had, like, games here and there, but didn't really come back to it fully. Greetings from Germany. Kia ora, brother. Do you plan all the details before you start? I kind of, like, when it comes to the carving itself, I kind of figure out what design would go with the all-round theme with this. Like with this, with Tara Tara Akai, you'll see this design being used by a lot of the tribes around the East Coast. And what do they see the most in life? The sea. So it kind of made sense to use this design because, you know, on a hook as well, which is obviously used to catch fish. Now this particular thing over here is just something that I'm doing for myself instead of putting my name. I don't want to carve something and put a big fat Brox on it somewhere because that's ugly. What's your favorite Pokemon? I'll be honest, brother, I gotta go with the OG Blastoise. My favorite generations are 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 and 2 are my favorites, brother. Big man Blastoise. Oh, what's up, Tail Forest Music? How you going with the gut health powder? I haven't been able to get it yet, brother. We just been too busy with the kids. Just been too busy, my bro. I forgot about that trend, that big man Blastoise one. La Passion. La Passione. Yeah, the main reason why I love Gen 1 and 2 so much is because back in my hometown we got snowed in for about 6 months, and those were the 2 games that I had on my Game Boy at the time. I was just lucky that I had a shit ton of bloody what is it called? Batteries. Is that wood or leather? Wood. What's the best platform to stream off? Probably the one you're currently on right now, in terms of like discoverability. Hello from Kelly. Knows how to party, my brother. Alright. Knows how to party. California. There we go. All about the East Coast pop and lock. Hey, what's the kōrero for this taonga? There genuinely is no kōrero. It's more of a decorative piece. Because the bro wanted a heimatau, but in a larger scale. Hello from Idaho. Kia ora. How long on average do carvings take? Online? Long? Offline? Very short. Do you still do Twitch streams? I am, brother. I'm live there right now. Yeah, so it's mainly just decorative, but essentially the designs that I decided to use were ones that could tie to the heimatau, like Tara Tara Akai. One that can represent, you know, the sea. Well, there's another design that I could have used, but I wanted to use Tara Tara Akai. Because we did Uno Nahi on the last one. Yeah, so after this piece, we have to do a partiti or a hatchet. Dang, if Panda got that song stuck in my head. What arco is this? Tōtara. Tōtara is this one here, my bro. You should open up a shop. Yeah, I don't want to. I'd rather do it through email or through stream because I like, call me old fashioned, as I mentioned before, making a genuine connection. I don't like making a shop and being a robot. Do you have any favorite works pieces you've done? Probably we did a restoration project a while back when I was a student. The main reason why it sits closely in my heart is because it was for my wife and my kids' meeting house. The reason why I love it so much is because, you know, my kids can enjoy it, my grandkids one day, and their children, and they'll know that their pops did it with a few other carvers as well. And these carvings I'm talking about are at Mātātua and Whakatane. So they had these two amo, they're two large carvings out the front that sit upright. So they were old, and we were tasked to replicate every single detail from the originals on the you know, onto the pieces of timber that we had. And yeah, that's probably the one that hits the home the most for me. Do you mainly use the certain wood or just use it? I just use any, bro, whatever I get my hands on. But majority of the time what we've been working with lately is tōtara, which is this red pine here. It's yeah, the softest timber we have in the country. I've even gotten the opportunity to go to Cambridge, chat, not in outside of the country, but Olympic gold medalist Eric Murray said if I'm ever in Cambridge, come pick some timber up. I was like, oh, okay, damn. Hope you and the family are warm. Oh, they're warm, I'm not. Cheer, brother David. Hope you're doing good, my bro. I'm actually quite cold, but, you know, I'm gonna get a stream in regardless for you guys. Just like last week when it was -1 outside. Where are you located? Within the southern hemisphere in Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Within a city called Rotorua that smells like rotten eggs due to all the sulphur. And the sulphur vents are connected to Yellowstone. So if they blow up, then we've only got like an hour or something to evacuate. One thing we don't have though is any of the fat from that bison that fell in that hot pool. Can someone get a custom piece for you within Whakairo, traditional Māori wood carving? Main reason I say that because there have been people that ask for naked anime characters, and I like face palm and just say, bro, there's websites for that. Yeah, I will not be carving your guys' Guna dreams. You dirty little bastards. It's happened. Like, it's happened. From the UK, so I have no idea. Nah, you're good, Max. I know it's pretty late for you too, my brother. What are you crafting? Well, we just finished designing this, brother. It's all done. On the designing phase. One thing I want to do now is go over it one more time for cleaning, just to see if we've missed anything. Thank you, Angel, for the roses. Tēnā koe. People are weird. No, people are just horn dogs. People just need to come off it and go outside. What's up, Kenna? Yeah, brother, it's me. How are you? See, like a mad dude. Oh, bro, we probably kick back. I'm like, so why are we kicking back? Are you the guy? I still don't know this Mr. Beast video you guys talk about. I feel like I've never actually been on a Mr. Beast video whatsoever. Yeah, I don't know. Beers and chill. Oh, I don't drink, brother. I stopped drinking ages ago. Have you ever been to any of the Lord of the Rings? Yes, there's the scene when they go to Fangorn Forest is actually on the side of the road. I pretended to my wife that I needed to go for a piss, and I said, pull over, pull over. Well, I was driving. And I was like, get out the car, go, go, go. Then I told her to run up to where the trees were, and then I stopped her and she goes, well, what's the matter? A hobbit lay here. They ran on the ground, and then she looked around and she went, oh my fucking god, you dumb C-U-N-T. They were on the ground, they ran over here. And she's like, this is the actual fucking place, eh? Yeah, I pretended that the car was on fire. And then I went, stop. They ran into Fangorn Forest. It was one of the funniest pranks I've ever pulled on my wife. Yeah, made it look serious, chat. You're in the bloody South Island next to a prime part where they do it. She missed the sign where it said to. Literally said Lord of the Rings scene on the side of the road. That's why I pulled over and did that. It was funny. What's wrong? What's wrong? A hobbit lay here. In the up shop, uranium glass with Lake Rotorua. Uranium glass is the green one, eh? I saw a TikTok recently of a guy looking for uranium plates, and he had like a dark light on it. Is it those? Kia ora, Sice. Yo, Stephen. Oh, thank you very much for the gifties. Yeah, what's so big about uranium plates? All I'm thinking about is that one song, eh? Uranium fever is coming up me down. Uranium fever is spreading all around. With a Geiger counter in my hand. That's the only thing I can think of when it comes to uranium. What's up, Kodiak? I'm guessing it's not actually uranium, but, you know, when I hear that word, I think of that song. Fallout playlist is goated, bro. With a Geiger counter in my hand. Uranium fever is coming, got me down. Are you the dude that went viral for... Yeah, it's me. How are you, Kyle? It's my friend Kyle right here. And we're walking down a long and lonesome road. How are you, brother? Nah, bro, it's legit. Wait, what? I feel like you're pulling my leg a little bit there. That seems a bit toxic. Thank you. Sorry, I tend to do a bit of a joke here and there, a dad joke. JTK. Charlie, thank you very much for the gifties. Hey, bro, I want to start carving. What kind of started carving tools should I get and where? So keep in mind, with chisels, especially the ones from Carbatec, CARBATEC, they are very expensive. When I started, bro, I used carving tools from the hardware store, like Mitre 10, when it was a thing back in the day. If you have any family that have those kind of tools, definitely see if you can talk with them about getting you some, because they are very expensive. That's a start. In terms of like timber, just try anything you can get your hands on. That's all it really comes down to. But yeah, don't try and buy all the expensive stuff straight away. So keep it reasonable. And yeah, I know within hardware stores they only ever have flats, but there's nothing wrong with starting with a flat first. You can carve a lot with a flat as well. Are you still streaming on Twitch? Yeah, I'm streaming there right now. There's people in the chat. There's someone saying, I don't want to set the world on fire. The song from Fallout. Yeah, my bros. But yeah, I think in don't do. I'd say start on timber. The reason why I say that is so you can understand grain. Obviously, a tree goes one way, and you must carve one way. So, but the main thing I want you to keep in mind: just take your time, have fun, make mistakes. That's the only way. That's the only way that you're gonna learn. Vietnamese food or Chinese food, whichever one is free. Straight up. Yeah, man, I'd love to go to Japan one day. This might be a dumb question, but dude, that's not a dumb question at all. That's just a question. I would say that's dumb for thinking that's a dumb question. I do, brother. Yeah, I do. Thank you for saving my goldfish. From what? The toilet? Got my first hobby chisels $2 shop and they lasted 10 years. Oh, nice, my bro. Yeah, bro, you can find some pretty good finds in those old shops, eh? You have a dumb question as well. Fire away, my friend. Where's the Benny from? It's from my whānau of Te Mata Raiōrehu, which is a kapahaka group. It's not in any shop, by the way. Biggest regret of the year. Biggest regret of the year. Going to taking my wife to her niece's birthday when I could have met Speed. Not like I had a choice. Yeah, that's probably the regret of the year. Could have met bloody Speed. Oh well. I was only annoyed about it for the day, then I moved on. How long you been married? Just a year. What Speed? I show Speed. He's one of the biggest streamers in the world. And I saw that Ibai broke his own viewership record again with 9.1 million viewers watching his stream. Absolutely crazy work too. Nutty, bro. Software though, but work. Yeah, bro. If it works, brother. How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12. And now I'm 33. So I'm not Māori any means, but I very much respect the culture. Would you find it disrespectful? No, you respect the culture and it sounds like you love it. I won't be running at you with a pitchfork, my bro, anyway. Speed is crazy. I think he's done very well for himself. I actually enjoy watching his streams too from time to time. If I owned a Hei Toki pendant necklace, then you own one. All good, brother. You deserve as many viewers as Speed. Yeah, I just wouldn't, do anything silly to get to that point, Especially that dick sucking song he made up ages ago. When I saw that, I was like, who the hell is this crazy kid? Wait, It's like, holy, he's like, not even scared to show it or like do it, the action. And then from that point, he's just gone from stride to stride, and I feel like he's coming to his own. He's his own discoverability platform. I'll say that. That's what I'd say. I'm doubting these highest records for viewers from the big guys at the moment. Too much view bot. I think for me, with Spanish Twitch, like Spanish streaming in general, they have a big audience. Like, it's huge, the scene. They have a really big audience, so I am not surprised that eBay like smashed that. So this is what we've done. It's pretty much done. But today's a short stream, so I'm glad we got it done actually on stream. So that there is a heimatau. There you go. There we go. So all that's left to do, look over it one more time, see what needs to be cleaned, and after that, stain it. Well, cut the middle out, then stain it really. Thank you, Alex Williams, for the rugby ball. Appreciate you, brother Chev. Alright. Hold up. I'm just doing a little something over here. Where are we? What's up, Noah? How you, Venom? Oh, that sounds like my girl. What are you working on? Well, we just finished this actually, brother. Sounds like we gotta go soon. Hold on, guys. Let me just go be a dad real quick. You can't wash it. Oh, yeah, wash it, man. Oh, yeah. There's a 1 in 50 chance that they might be still doing that same thing here. Yeah, yeah, we got to make up too. Yeah, it's almost 12. Chat, we have a bit of a pickle. Fucking kids, man. Let me explain to you what has happened. So, my second girl, unfortunately, has dropped one of her favourite toys in the toilet. How did that happen? Fuck knows. That's beyond me why she would have a toy by the toilet. But the next thing is, it's a McDonald's toy, okay? Hold on, it's a McDonald's toy. And for some reason we have to go back to McDonald's, get her a Happy Meal in order to get said toy again. And I was telling her, there's no guarantee that they're still doing the same damn toy from a month ago. And one other thing. It's Monday. We just done all our... Through that hoodie... No. Toy. Like a Happy Meal toy. And she said, like, can you buy me another Happy Meal? I was like, Bubba, it's Monday. We've got pocket lint till Wednesday. So, because we've done our weekly shopping and everything. And, well, she's very upset. And you know what's even more upsetting? She doesn't know she's getting her IMS today. Today is gonna be a frickin' day, I'll tell you that. It's about to be one of those days, chat. Thank you very much for the 99.2k likes on the stream as well, Father. Chat, this may be a bit out of the blue, but I need to change my undies, I think. Why? I think the final thread on the old jocks is just broken. Shout out to all the brothers there with them till the final thread. I heard a slight snap. I felt a slight snap on the side of the waist, and I think, oh no, might be time to get some new ones. Ah, damn it. My wife hates it when I have those. How is what I come back to? Hey, you never know. That's life. Unexpected turns in life. Thank you, Amarix, for the roses, my bro. Yo, thanks for getting us to 100k likes on the talk. Thank you, Fano. Okay, TikTok, unfortunately. With that being said, I do have to finish with you guys first. Thank you very much, Amarix, for the 80 roses. I will be live tomorrow. The only reason why I'm finishing up early is because my daughter has a doctor's appointment that we need to go to. So TikTok, stay lovely, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Have a good sleep too. And I'll see you all tomorrow, okay? Namahe. I'll try and post the video up either today or tomorrow as well. See ya. Okay, now we can play music, guys. We can play music now, guys. How we doing? What's up? What time will stream be? Same time tomorrow. Same time. Just a little before 9 AM. Just after school drop-offs. Normally. Let me just finish the YouTube stream, alright?